Welcome to the OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger. And that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that, but just first let's open the advanced settings and click to the volume button function. You will have to be sure that we have selected here the ringtone volume, not the MIDI one. So because by using the volume buttons, now we'll switch the ringtone volume, but if we'll switch it to the media, so we'll just change the media volume. So just be sure that you have selected the ringtone, and now just by press up volume button, you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also you can do it by the third way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that with your finger slide to the up here, that's blue dot, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.